Bibilib kayo sa isang binata mula sa Canada na nakilala ng GMA News sa Cagayan de Oro City.
Pangarap niya kasing manirahan dito sa Pilipinas at balang araw maging tunay na Pilipino. Narito ang report.
Ganda ng kalikasan ang nagaharing tanawin sa Cagayan de Oro City. Tila isang larawang nakatatak na sa isipan ng mga Cagayanon. Pero ngayon, may dumagdag sa eksena. Isang masayahing banyagang paikot-ikot sa syudad sakay ng kanyang motor.
Hi, welcome to Cagayan. Welcome to my home. Woo!
Nang magtapos ng kolehiyo sa Canada, agad umalis si Cal sa kanyang bansa. 2 taong nanirahan sa Britanya, naglakbay sa 29 na bansa, nagtrabaho sa Hong Kong bago napadpad sa CDO noong 2013.
I saved up a lot of money from working in Hong Kong and in the past. And so I said, you know what, I realized that it's just important that I do this. I made a decision, this is a culture I want to learn from and share, so I'm just going to do it.
10 buwan nang naninirahan si Cal sa CDO kasama ng pamilya ng kanyang kaibigan mula Hong Kong. Ang kanyang mga barkada, tricycle driver, magsasaka, construction worker at iba pa. Dito na raw niya gustong manirahan habang buhay.
My mom says, when are you coming home? And I correct her. I say, Mom, I am home in the Philippines, but I will come visit where I'm from in the future.
Kada buwan, nire-renew ni Kyle ang kanyang tourist visa. Hindi man dugong Pinoy, idadaan niya na lang daw ito sa pagsasapuso ng ating kultura.
Teach me more about your culture, your food, your environment, your history. Tell me anything I can do to become Filipino.
Kasama ng isa sa kanyang mga matalik na kaibigang si Kumar.
Do is right, Dre is left. Okay. You want to stop the Carabao? What?
Bibisitahin niya ang lahat ng 17 rehiyon sa bansa. Bit-bit ang listahan ng mga mungkahi na dapat niyang gawin para maging isang Pilipino. Kumain na siya ng balut.
Just don't look at it. Don't ever look at it.
Sumakay ng kalabaw. Sa ibabaw ng jeep. Umakyat ng puno ng nyog. Nakipagsayaw sa tribong Talaandig ng Bukidnon. Kumain ng lukot sa Misamis Occidental. Nagpagamot sa albularyo sa Siquijor. At nag-selfie kasama ni Rizal sa Calamba, Laguna. At sa kanyang paglalakbay, nabinyagan na rin siya ng bagong pangalan. Gusto niyang maikot ang buong Pilipinas.
One step at a time.
Pero hindi niya raw maiiwan ang Cagayan.
I'm never once afraid of terrorism or bombings, you know. So I hope that maybe it inspires Filipinos outside of Mindanao or outside of that area of the Philippines to maybe not pass judgment so quickly and maybe see that place in a more positive light, because it shocks me. It almost hurts me. That's my home. It's just those simple things, like those really simple things, like being happy, sharing. I'll give you an example of sharing. I've been to communities in the Philippines where the fishermen go out, like in Salay and Mindanao, and they come back in the evening, and every single person from that community comes up and takes a handful of fish. They see my life, like I have an iPhone, I have a scooter. I'm sure if given the chance, they'd probably love to have more things and love to, but it doesn't mean that they don't appreciate what they do have, and that's so cool. That's something that the world can learn from. That's something I can learn from. That's something my family can learn from. That's something everybody can learn from.
Simple lang naman daw ang pangarap ni Kulas, ang maging masaya at maibahagi ang kasiyahan. At sa pagyakap sa kulturang Pilipino, tila na isa katuparan na raw niya ang kanyang pangarap. Lay Alves, GMA News.